Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by reading the garment label to confirm wool content and care instructions. Set the iron to the wool setting and enable medium steam. Turn the pants inside out to protect the nap and smooth fabric on a clean ironing board. Place a cotton pressing cloth over the area you will press to prevent shine. Pin or clip a 1-inch seam allowance and ensure pockets are empty and seams aligned before you begin. Keep water nearby for gentle steaming bursts as needed. Start with the waistband and work down. Hold fabric taut and align side seams, pressing from the waistband toward the hem to create straight creases. Use the pressing cloth and apply firm 2-3 second presses rather than sliding the iron. Lift and reposition between presses. For stubborn wrinkles, add short steam bursts and let the fabric cool briefly between sections. Press the front crease by matching the leg seams and repeat on the other leg, always protecting wool by avoiding direct iron contact. After pressing, let wool pants cool and set on the board for about 5 minutes. Cooling locks creases and prevents shiny areas. Hang immediately on a clip hanger by the hem or drape over a wide wooden hanger to preserve shape. Avoid thin wire hangers. If you see a persistent mark, spot treat with a damp cloth and repress through the pressing cloth using gentle 2-3 second presses. Store in a breathable garment bag and air garments between wears to maintain a crisp look.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.